A nice finishing touch to your interior is the door jamb windlace. It's one of the first things you'll see when opening the door to your Classic. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1964 through 67 GM A-body and 1957 through 67 Cadillac door jamb windlace. Made in the USA, this quality replacement features the original bumpy grain vinyl with a steel insert to clip to the door jamb edge lip. This is an excellent finishing touch to your interior. These may be purchased in complete sets with the end caps or the windlace alone per your preference. Available colors include black, fawn, light blue, and white, just like the factory. White may be painted to finish for matching custom and rare color schemes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.